Hi, I'm Austin Burns with Burns Pest Elimination. We are from Phoenix, Arizona. We've been in business for 35 years now. We started using WorkWave a few years ago. We switched over from another competitor over to WorkWave, and since then it has been a fantastic partnership between PestPac and ourselves. PestPac's helped our business tremendously over the past couple years with communication to our customers, with call ahead features. My favorite thing about PestPac is route optimization, just the fact that it's been able to cut down on that windshield time. We've been able to add on about 2 stops per day per route, which has increased our revenue quite a bit and also cut down on some overhead expenses such as gas. Well, we love route optimization. That is one of our favorite features. PestPac impacts our customers greatly. With PestPac, we've been able to have communication through the entire process of getting a customer taken care of. A lot of our customers are not home on the residential side of things. A lot of our commercial customers, being able to keep them in compliance with audits, things like that. So it definitely impacts our customers with our communication to them. The end communication with our customer through the use of PestPac is extraordinary. Call ahead features have been great for us. We've since implementing PestPac and the call ahead features, we've been able to complete a 95% completion ratio for all of our services, which has been the highest that we've ever had. Before PestPac, we were in the high 80s, so we've seen over a 5% increase in services that are getting completed, not getting skipped and rescheduled into the next month. So that also has been huge for us. The best thing about it is that it is a one-stop shop. That's what we pride ourselves on as a business, is being a one-stop shop for all of our customers, whether it's a commercial customer, an apartment complex, a residential customer, whatever issue that they may have, whether it's from birds to rodents to bed bugs to pests, etc. And PestPac is just that, from lead management, marketing automation, scheduling, route optimization, customer connect, logbooks. Throughout the entire process, PestPac is a one-stop shop for all your pest needs.